Important update for migrants from Haiti, Cuba, and Nicaragua. Humanitarian parole for people from Haiti, Cuba, and Nicaragua. The United States government has announced a new program that will allow some people from Haiti, Cuba, and Nicaragua who are fleeing the political, economic, and humanitarian crisis in their country the possibility of entering the United States by air for a period of up to 2 years through a process called humanitarian parole. What is humanitarian parole? Humanitarian parole is a legal mechanism that allows someone to enter into the United States and stay in its territory for a temporary period of up to 2 years. When entering the U.S. via humanitarian parole, you will have temporary permission to live within the U.S. You will be eligible to apply for permission to work. You can apply for asylum within the country. When entering the U.S. via humanitarian parole, you do not obtain a permanent residence. No immigration status is obtained in the country. Who is eligible? Nationals of Haiti, Cuba, and Nicaragua and their immediate relatives, spouse, common law partner, or unmarried children under 21 years of age. To be approved for this process, migrants from Haiti, Cuba, or Nicaragua will need to meet all the requirements. Requirements: being outside of the U.S., pay for your trip, flight to a U.S. airport, valid passport, complete vaccination schedule, including vaccines for measles, polio, and at least the first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine. A sponsor in the USA. Your sponsor can be any person or representative of an organization with regular status in the U.S. that can provide you with housing, financial, and other support. Important: if you enter the U.S., Mexico, or Panama irregularly after January 9, 2023, you will no longer be eligible for this process. If you were deported from the U.S. in the last 5 years, you will no longer be eligible for this process. Unaccompanied minors under 18 are not eligible for this process. All minors must be traveling with a parent or legal guardian to be eligible. Each migrant who applies for this process will have to undergo a security check before being approved to enter the United States. Only your immediate family members, your partner or spouse, and any unmarried children under the age of 21 can be a part of your application. What is the procedure? To start the process, your sponsor must fill out the I-134A form online through the following link: https://www.uscis.gov/I-134A. Your sponsor must fill a new form for each person in your group. This means that if you are applying with your spouse and child, your sponsor will need to submit 3 forms. Once your eligibility is confirmed, you will receive an email to create an account on the My USCIS portal. USCIS is U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. In this account, you will have to confirm that you meet all the requirements. You will also have access to a guide to upload your information through an application called CBP-1. If your travel is authorized, you will be notified through your My USCIS account, and you will have 90 days to travel to the U.S. by air. Once you are at the airport, Customs and Border Protection, CBP, will conduct an inspection and determine if you may enter the U.S. Important: this process is completely free. More information can be found online at the website of the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS. https://www.uscis.gov/CHNV. Other useful information. Currently, migrants from Haiti, Cuba, and Nicaragua can be removed under Title 42. Previously, migrants from Haiti, Cuba, or Nicaragua were not allowed to be returned to Mexico if they entered the United States without permission and were sometimes expelled to other countries. This has changed, and migrants from Haiti, Cuba, or Nicaragua who are detained after entering the United States can now be returned to Mexico. Even if you are not eligible for this process, you may still apply to enter through a Title 42 exemption using the application CBP-1. If you are a migrant from Haiti, Cuba, or Nicaragua interested in entering the United States through this process, you can prepare in the meantime. Not entering Panama, Mexico, or the United States without permission, getting a valid passport if you don't have one, keeping up with your vaccinations, finding someone you know in the United States who can be your sponsor. Remember that there are many lawyers and firms that charge to help migrants from Haiti, Cuba, and Nicaragua with this process. However, there is no fee to apply for this process, and you are not required to pay anyone to apply for you. If you're at the border and someone says they can help you cross by land or get you a visa if you send money, that's a scam. If someone tries to charge you money to fill out our survey or receive any other service from al otro lado, they are lying to you. All our services are free. Sometimes scammers pretend to be immigration officers or lawyers to collect your information or make you pay them. Be very careful who you share information with, and remember that you cannot pay to enter the United States. Thank you for your attention. We will keep you updated as new information becomes available. In solidarity, al otro lado.